Bam. Oh, great. I stalled on the tracks. What am I gonna do? Ooh, I know. I'll push my car right off the tracks. Would that be a good idea or no? I guess it's okay. I'll just get out of my car and just check. Oh man, looks like the engine's stalled. I'm gonna have to fix it. Try to bust the engine open in order to fix it. Okay, I'm gonna try to bust it open. Come on! What's taking so long? Do you need some help? Oh. Ouch. Who would say that? I knew who that was. Hello, Mario. Hello, Steve. What do you need help with? Well, my car stalled on this train track anyway. Okay. Let me get my Luigi and try to help you. Okay. Luigi! Mario! Why did you bring me here? Well, hey, Steve's car just was stolen on the train tracks, and we need to help him push his car off the tracks. Yeah, the car is broken. I mean, it's stalled on the train tracks. The engine stalled. Let's take it to the garage. Mario, first we gotta get it off the tracks. Okay. Hold on a second, Mario! What? Oh no! Mario! No, push the car off the tracks! There's a train coming at fast speed! Hey, Mario! What is definitely going on? I mean, the time is just 8:30 p.m. and I just got to make it to the station on time. Holy crap! What is that up ahead? Oh my God! It's a car! I better stop! Mario! Go fly down the train! Okay, but wait, train. Stop! Hop. Is somebody gonna get on Mario? Oh, stop! Or else you will die! Hi. I am trying to stop, but my brakes will over! Uh-oh. Woo! Yes, Mario. Oh, we are okay. But, yes, it's pretty hard to explain. Hey, what caused all the tracks in the first place? That's what. If a train is traveling with civilians and also there's cars driving on the track, X, we might present a huge invention I created. It's called a high rail, and then we could ride on it. A high rail? Yes, a high rail. I'm talking about. Hold on, let me go get it. Click, 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 click. Hey, Mario, it looks pretty small. I know, guys. Just get in. After getting in. Okay, Mario, it's time to push. Sure thing, Luigi.